Welcome. This is Rhythm News and I'm Suruchi Das. The Indian Railways is one of the most important nation's assets, operating more than 19,000 trains and 7,112 stations, holding the rank of world's fourth largest railway network. Recently, there has been a significant rise in train accidents in India, raising concerns on the functioning of the railway system. But the question is the Railway Authority and government only accountable for it? Or there's more to what appears on the surface? The Indian Railways connects the seventh largest nation, providing citizen mobility and serving commercial activity, contributing on a large scale to the nation's economy, which every Indian should be proud of. But there are more notorious sources that are trying to dismantle it, resulting in railway accidents. Last year, Indian Railways has seen several such accidents which are not usual considering the safety protocols it follows. The most devastating being the 2023 Balasore-Coromandel train collision in Odisha, which resulted in the death of 293 people, followed by the June 2024 Kanchenjunga Express accident in West Bengal, resulting in the deaths of 10 people. Then, in July 2024, there was the Hazardwari Express accident, the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express derailment, and at the latest, the derailment of 22 coaches on the Sabarmati Express. Several minor accidents also took place due to similar causes. The question is, who is behind these accidents? Are these a pre-planned conspiracy against the ruling government in order to question them? Well, the investigations will tell the truth. On Wednesday, the Aligarh Railway Police apprehended one Afsan for deliberately placing an alloy wheel on the railway track with the intent to derail a moving train. It's shameful for us as a developing nation that along with derailment, people are also involved in stone pelting on trains, including the luxurious Vande Bharat trains. Such incidents are not new or shocking, but have become part of the daily news. Though derailments and stone pelting are not the only issues the Indian Railway is suffering from, the legal slumps around the railway lines are also becoming one of the biggest challenges for the government. The Supreme Court has directed several times in the past for the removal of these slumps, but the state governments haven't taken the necessary actions. Apart from this, the Apex Court has also directed the removal of several illegal mosques built on railway land and yards, but all in vain. We are a nation of 1.4 billion people. Trains play a big part in the growth of this nation of 1.4 billion people. Lakhs of us are dependent on these trains for our survival. So, it is just not the administration who are responsible for its smooth running. But we as public should maintain more vigilance, discipline and treat this important public asset as it belongs to us. Jai Hind.